and take a look. Nice! Look at his details, just like in the movie. Isn't he so adorable? We can wind him up to watch him flip over. Let's try it. Awesome! Isn't that so cool? That's a neat trick.